This is always a good game at this time of year. I tend to leave all my old herb pots and pots that had various annuals in, just leave them in the corner of the garden over winter, and you get weeds, you get grass all over them. And of course, grass is tasty if you're a chicken. In this one, we've got more grass, we've got some chickweed coming through, which is aptly named. They absolutely love it. It's quite tasty for us as well. And I leave them all pots all winter just to weed over. I think this one had, oh gosh, what was it? This one might have had a chilli in it. I took the chilli out at the end of the year and I put this outside, left it, and now we've got a chicken toy. After they finish eating all of this, once it's all sort of scoured clean, and it will be, it'll go down the roots before long, I'll put this upside down, let them kick around in the muck, and they'll eat all the beasts out, all the worms, all the beetles, all the things in there that they can eat will be eaten, and that will form the basis of sort of being sort of top dressing in their run. A couple of weeks time I'll be clearing this run out entirely. I'll dig out the first couple of inches of muck. I'll use that at the bottom of my big pots for sowing things in spring, and thus the cycle will continue. I'll also be giving them the bottom of my wormery soon. I'll do a video of that as well. Before I can use my worm compost, it's nice to get the last of the beasts out of it, and I have two-legged beast removal machines. Will take all that out. Now I'm going to give them another treat that they've not had before. Snails. They're only youngsters. I don't think I've given them snails before. So let's see how we respond to little shelly treats. Are they tasty girls? You don't know what they are, do you? You've never seen snails before. Our first chickens, Bess and Vicky. Bess was the snailer. Vicky would already pick at them after Bess had had a start. Our others, Matilda, was a wonderful snailer. She was always eating them. Now it's important that I do train them to eat snails, because by summer our neighbour there will be picking all of the snails out and leaning over to give them all of the snails. And if they won't eat snails, our neighbour will be very disappointed. Pretty soon they'll realise these are delicious little shells of protein, and they'll go mad for them. For now I'll leave them there, let them think about it. It'll take one of them to take the plunge, peck at one, realise what's inside is tasty, and they'll all be all over them. If I'm still outside, I'll get a video of that as well. But anyway, there you go. Aren't they nice? There you go. There you go. Well done. Sucks to be a snail in my garden. Serve you right for eating all my spinach. Right, so that's that. They'll eat snails now. They'll be battling over those in no time, discussing who owns each one. Cleaned up my pots. My pots will be ready to fill with fresh compost. I say fresh, any stuff that's come out of the bottom of this run. No eggs yet. They're in and out of the house like they're thinking about it. I think the leghorn at the back there will probably be the first looking at her, but we'll know soon enough. The combs are starting to get a bit red on some of them. They're starting to grow up, but we're still baby chickens yet. We're still pullets. So thank you very much for that. More soon. Cheers.